Okay, here let's work on the first question, A. Where given slope is not defined and containing the point we need is to find the equation. Now I have put -10, -1 on the decimals right here, and you know where the point is right here. -10, -1. Now, undefined means what? Undefined is no run, How to think. Undefined means tells you no run. No run means the x is 0. Y can be any value. So you may say 1 or 0, 2 or 0, whatever you do. This basically tells us what? Tells us it's a vertical line. Okay, vertical line. You may do is, as I previously said, the second point, you will see that will be 0 plus -10. That's still -10. But 1, this value, add a -1, you have a y. So 1 plus -1 got 0. So -10, 0. Where is that? You may put -10 and then -10, and then 0. Okay, you hit the enter. We have the point. So here is -10, 0. Here is negative what? -10, 1. Anyway, you may find the third point by using this number. Which number? Let me mark it. The number right here. Okay. So you get different point. Anyway, is what? Is -10. -10 is not going to change. So that will be x equals -1 will be the equation. Okay. So here find the equation. We find it. Y disappeared. Okay. So for the standard form, it will be look like x plus 0 times y equals -10. Whatever you put here times 0 disappeared. So you always get is what? There is no 10 right here. This one disappeared. Eventually, it's x equals -10 would be this one. So that's our A done. How about B? Vertical line, again, no run. So similarly then, if there is no run, x is a constant. So for B, in this case, then you will have a what? X equals -5. So here you can see for vertical line, you have two different ways. One is slope undefined, another is vertical line. They all means the same thing. And the equation you always choose is x is a constant. Okay, so here we are done. All right, and here again, this is the answer for A. Right here. X is -10. Here for B is x is -5. Again, there are two different ways to mention that. Okay, now look at F. Again, there are two different ways. Here, slope is 0. Slope is 0 means what? Means no rise. Here was no run. Here means no rise. No rise means flat. Okay. Algebraically, if you want, you may think that slope is 0. So numerator is 0. Denominator can be anything. Can be 1, can be 2. I just put 1 here. Okay. If you want to find a point here for 10, 1, you may put 10, 1. Where is that point? That's right here. 10, 1. And then you see the slope again is 0. You may do as previously I told you. This is again is the y. This is again is the x. So in order to get x for the new point, you may do is 10 add 1. So you have a 11. And y was 1. And then add 0. So you have a 1. So you have a 1, 11. That's y. If you want to write, that will be 11, 1. Okay? So here you may do is 11, comma 1. No. Comma 1. Close bracket. That's here. You will see that's a horizontal line. For the horizontal line, y is a constant. You can see 10, 1, 11, 1. So y is a constant. That's 1. That's it. So this will be the answer for F. Done. Now again, then for this one, you have the point is -7/8. Y is 1. Okay, where is that point? If we input, that will be -7 divided by 8. 7 divided by 8, comma 1. No. You want to move it and then comma. And then 1. Okay. Horizontal, Then y is a constant. You can see still on the same line with this. So again, what do we get? The equation for h still is y equals 1. That's for h. Y equals 1 for f, still the same. So here is 1, here is 1. All right? Okay, I'll stop here and then I'll see you next time.